Okay, Birmingham is the second largest city in the UK with a population of 1 million people. In this video, we're going to be looking at economic opportunities and challenges. First of all, economic opportunities. Birmingham and the surrounding area of the Black Country has had a rich industrial past and a broad industrial landscape. Examples of factories included the Longbridge Rover factory and the Cadbury's chocolate factory in Bourneville. Also, Birmingham's strategic location in the West Midlands is supported by an integrated transport system that includes Grand Central Railway Station, Gravelly Hill Interchange and Birmingham International Airport. There are a wide range of jobs in Birmingham: manufacturing in the secondary sector, retail in the tertiary sector and research in the quaternary sector. An example of a company who took advantage of Birmingham's strategic location is HSBC, who have developed their headquarters in the city, creating thousands of jobs. HSBC is the 7th largest bank in the world. However, there are also economic challenges in Birmingham, often linked to deindustrialisation. In the 70s and 80s, the Tory government under Margaret Thatcher changed government policy and encouraged people to buy and use cheaper foreign imports from countries such as China. This led to dereliction of factories that closed down, resulting in mass unemployment in Birmingham. Ladywood is an example of an area of Birmingham that is highly deprived and has the highest unemployment rate in the whole country. Another economic challenge is the fact that house prices are in high demand and prices are rising, meaning many people are after social housing, but Birmingham City Council has a shortage of social housing, further adding to the economic challenges of the city.